Good morning. So I got ready for church and I'm still in the car because I got to church late. And I'm sitting here saying to myself that, well, not to myself, to my husband, he's over there to my left. Yeah. And I'm saying that it is so hard. Well, I'm not even sure if it's hard or whatever the case may be, but it's just so difficult to meet people. Like, to just meet people, to have bonds with. That's what I'm. But then again, I can't even blame people in its totality, you know, because I don't go anywhere either. I don't go anywhere either. I don't. So I can't even say it's people, because really and truly I've not gotten any experience or given myself any. If I keep looking off to the sides, it's because I'm in the parking lot and there's people all around me doing stuff. So yeah, so I don't know how other people go about meeting people and becoming friends, especially for church. I'm a church person, let me first say that. And church in America is very different from church in Jamaica. One of the things that really gets me is, it seems to me that churches in America, they only go for like 3 hours out of the day, versus in Jamaica, church still begins at 10, but we'll be there till even 4 o'clock in the evening. So, you know, the whole day is dedicated to being at church. Even if church ends at 2, you know, there's fellowshipping that takes place after the service. People stay behind and hold on, let me make sure this is still recording. Okay. You know, people stay behind, and whether it is to clean up the church or just to hang out, and people introduce themselves to the new person, and they'll take your number, they'll tell you that this day is that day, you can come by if you want to participate in something. Yeah, like that is what I'm used to. In America, that's not it. That is not it at all. I mean, you can't even say that. Like for me, last night I did not get good sleep, and so I got up late. So like in America, you can't even say you're getting up, you can't even get up late and then say you're going to church, because by the time you get yourself together and head out, church over. By the time you get there, that's it. I mean, I literally came across a church over here that is only in session for an hour. 1 hour. And that gets me, because the day, we're supposed to dedicate the day to God, the entire day. Now, I'm not saying that you have to be in the building for the entire day, but I don't think 3 hours is enough to really give God glory, and then to really fellowship among ourselves, to really be our brother's aid and our brother's keeper among ourselves. I don't really think 3 hours is enough for that. I know people have all sorts of things happening, And I believe it's because we have all sorts of things happening in this world why sometimes we need to dedicate more time to being in the house of God. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but this does not feel like it to me. Okay guys, so I told you guys I would show you when my husband is making the next cake. So again, I forgot. But this is what the batter looks like, way more than before. So in this we have flour, we have allspice, we have he's pouring in more wine. In Jamaica we use red label wine, but whatever wine suits you, you can do that as well. And we have prunes and grapes, and because it's Jamaican traditional fruit cake. I'm causing a mess and I don't like messes, so I will try to remember to list the ingredients on the screen when I'm posting this video. But yeah, so how long it stay in the oven for, hon? An hour and a half? Half hour? 30 minutes. Yeah, so he's saying it bakes for 30 minutes. So as I said, I'll show you guys what the end result is, and I'll also list on the screen the ingredients. And you don't have to do, I know I say it's a Jamaican traditional cake, but you don't have to do it exactly how us Jamaicans do it. You can add your own twist, your own flair, just your own style to it. So I'm going to get the pans to put it in so it can go into the oven. Good morning, guys. So I'm going on the road today, and I said let's take you guys along. Just, I don't know how you guys will yet, but remind me to pick up the camera as I go on the road today. And I'm not sure, haven't rewatched the footage if I have showed you guys when my husband was making the Jamaican Christmas cake, but here it is. There it is. Some of the raisins popping out. I'm going to get a little piece to eat before I go on the road because I haven't eaten all morning. So let's get something to eat and then do that. All right. I sound weird. Do I sound weird? I sound hoarse. Oh, and I have to tell you guys something about Jamaica that is annoying me. And just to let you guys know that every country has its ups and its downs, its in and its out. You know, because I've been in America now for a few years, and I hear Americans, born, bred Americans, complain about America with certain things. But let me just tell you, in Jamaica, we love Jamaica, okay? We love Jamaica, but there's just some things that just needs to change. I don't know about that wig here part my head. I glue down the little closure part right here, so but this part right here is supposed to be behind my ear, but it keeps sticking out and the wig feels loose on my head, but that's because I have no hair of my own to why do I feel like I should tell you guys what day it is? Today's Tuesday. Yeah. So this vlog is going to consist of many different days. But yeah, so it just feels so. But we're real people living real lives. So if the wig is not straight on my head, forgive me. Alright, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit. I had to come back to let you guys see the cake. So it's moist. Yeah. It eat good. It tastes good. Oh my god, guys, look at this. We were on our way to some place, and when we left our house, it was sunny outside. But now look, I only used to see this kind of thing on the news. Oh my god, there's a car coming. Oh wow. I am not used to this at all. Just look. I don't know what you guys can see. Just so surreal, so surreal. You guys, just look, we finally got back home, thank god. And where we live, there's snow, you guys can see there's snow, as you guys can see. But for some reason, I don't know, I'm trying to remember the name of the location that we drove through, because we were driving to PA, so we weren't actually in PA. I'm trying to turn this camera around. Okay, why can't I flip the camera? Anywho, we were going to PA, like close to the border, right? And we were not even halfway there when it just became a snow blizzard, as I showed you guys in the previous clip. Like, it was so scary. I'm Jamaican, I will keep saying that. I'm not used to anything like this at all, but I live here and I will appreciate every bit of America. But that was just scary for me. You know, driving in the snow and stuff like that is okay. You get used to it over time. But that level of just snowstorm, I would call it, because it looks like a storm like when there's rain and wind and stuff. Because there was wind and there was snow and everywhere was white. You know, that was a first and a new thing for me. So yeah, I just thought to show you guys that, because it was my very first experience. But yeah, it was just, I'm home now. Actually, my husband wanted something in Walmart, and let me see if I can zoom in. If you guys see right down there. Yeah, I want a sewing kit from Dollar Tree, so I'm waiting on him because I want a sewing kit from Dollar Tree. So yeah, I don't know if I'll end this vlog here because it's been clips from different days, so maybe I'll end it here. If I do end it here, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.